Ho ho ho! 19 holidays, Christmas bakes to eat while waiting for Santa. From cookies to cakes and everything in between, this compilation will surely satisfy your sweet tooth and spread holiday cheer. First up, we have our classic gingerbread cookies house. These perfectly spiced treats are shaped into adorable gingerbread house and decorated with white icing. They are a must-have for every holiday gathering. It's fun time to decorate the gingerbread house with your kids. Let your creativity flow. You can find all the recipe link in the description or hankery.com blog. Next up, the bell-shaped gingerbread stained glass biscuit. The transparent candies melt and create beautiful patterns. Made with love and care, Forever Friends Tame Chocolate Yule. This is a perfect blend of tender sponge cake and velvety chocolate ganache. Next up, Chocolate Yule Angry Birds theme. We begin by preparing our chocolate sponge, dust with the icing sugar and velvety chocolate ganache. As we roll out the Swiss roll, we spread our homemade cherry filling, bursting with sweet and tangy flavors. These succulent cherries provide a perfect balance to the rich chocolate. Enjoy assemble this masterpiece. Next is the stunning white chocolate pipe snowflakes. You just need white chocolate and a piping bag. They are just the easy sparkle to decorate your beautiful Swiss roll. Next up is a cute Christmas fondant Oreo cookies. Take some Oreo cookies and some fondant icing in festive Christmas colors. Roll out the icing into Santa and many more. Next is a delicious Christmas gift roasted cashew nuts. Serve this delicious food at your Christmas parties or give them as gift. This is my favorite Christmas fondant cake topper. They are wonderful magical Christmas fondant toppers, DIY and decorating ideas. They add a magical touch to your holiday desserts. Get ready to transform ordinary treats into extraordinary delights with our DIY and decorating ideas. From jolly Santa Claus to cute little penguin. Next category is a Christmas-themed cake pop. These bite-sized treats are the perfect way to celebrate the holiday seasons. They are moist and fluffy cake, perfectly coated in the chocolate. Looking for something healthier? Yes, avocado cream chocolate cake. Another option is Santa Hat chocolate gluten-free cupcakes. Decorate with strawberries and whipped cream. Number 14, tiramisu cupcakes. These are my all-time favorite in the Christmas parties. Next up, Angry Bird Christmas cupcakes. These added extra special for all you Angry Birds fans out there. These adorable cupcakes are perfect for a holiday party for kids. Number 16, Christmas themed cupcakes. They are the marvelous butter marble cake below. Oh look, Riente cupcakes. Next is the delightful fusion dessert. The Vegemite macaron with a berry twist. To give this macaron a unique Australian touch, I'm adding a hint of Vegemite into the smooth caramel macaron batter. Next, Christmas sausage croissant bun. Imagine warm and flaky croissants filled with juicy sausage and perfectly melted cheese. It's the ultimate holiday recipe delight that will make your taste buds tingle with joy. Last but not least, Jaspberry Kiwi Fruit Christmas Log Cake. Or we call it Brooch de Noël. Enjoy my recipe that I developed especially for Jaspberry Malaysia. Whether you're planning a holiday party or simply want to treat yourself, Santa's Sweet Treats has you covered with these 19 delightful holiday bakes. Try them all and make this holiday season sweeter than ever. All the recipe links is in the descriptions. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to keep up with more incredible recipes and festive inspirations. Happy holidays and happy baking! See you in the next video.